The Inspiring Life of Abraham Lincoln. Introduction. Today, we are going to learn about one of the greatest presidents in American history, Abraham Lincoln. His story is one of perseverance, hard work, and a dedication to doing what is right. Lincoln rose from humble beginnings to become the 16th President of the United States, and his leadership helped to preserve the Union during one of its darkest hours. Let's take a journey through his remarkable life. Early life and struggles. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, in a small log cabin in Hardin County, Kentucky. His family was poor, and life on the frontier was full of hardships. Lincoln's father, Thomas Lincoln, was a farmer, and his mother, Nancy Hanks Lincoln, worked tirelessly to care for their children. Sadly, when Abraham was only 9 years old, his mother passed away from a disease called milk sickness. The loss was devastating to young Lincoln. His father soon remarried, and his stepmother, Sarah Bush Johnston, became a positive influence in Abraham's life. She encouraged his love of reading and learning. Although Lincoln had less than 1 year of formal schooling, he was largely self-taught and devoured every book he could get his hands on. Despite his love for learning, Lincoln's life was filled with manual labor. He worked on the family farm, splitting rails for fences and plowing fields. He also took jobs as a store clerk, postmaster, and even as a surveyor, all while teaching himself law by reading borrowed law books. Entering politics and early defeats. Lincoln's first foray into politics came in 1832 when he ran for the Illinois state legislature. At the age of 23, he was eager to make a difference, but his campaign was unsuccessful. Undeterred by this early defeat, Lincoln continued to pursue a career in law and politics. He eventually became a successful lawyer, known for his integrity and his skill at public speaking. His nickname, Honest Abe, came from his reputation for being fair and truthful, even when it wasn't easy. In 1834, Lincoln won his first election to the Illinois state legislature. He served 4 terms as a member of the Whig Party, and during this time, he honed his skills as a politician. But Lincoln's political career was not always smooth. He lost several elections, including a bid for the U.S. Senate in 1858 after a series of debates with Stephen A. Douglas. Despite losing the Senate race, Lincoln's eloquence and moral clarity during the debates brought him national attention. The road to the presidency. By 1860, the United States was deeply divided over the issue of slavery. The northern states were largely against the expansion of slavery, while the southern states supported it. Lincoln, who opposed the spread of slavery into new territories, emerged as the Republican Party's candidate for president. On November 6, 1860, Abraham Lincoln was elected as the 16th President of the United States. His victory prompted several southern states to secede from the Union, setting the stage for the Civil War. The Civil War begins. The Civil War began in April 1861, just a month after Lincoln took office. For 4 long and bloody years, the war would rage across the United States, pitting brother against brother. Lincoln faced enormous pressure from both the North and the South, as well as from within his own government. Despite the toll the war took on him, Lincoln remained resolute in his belief that the Union must be preserved. He also began to shift his focus to a higher moral purpose, the abolition of slavery. The Emancipation Proclamation and Gettysburg Address. On January 1, 1863, Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, declaring that all slaves in the Confederate States were free. This was a bold and controversial move, but it changed the nature of the war and gave a new sense of purpose to the Union's fight. Later that year, Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address, one of the most famous speeches in American history. In just 272 words, he reminded the nation of the principles of equality and freedom for which they were fighting. Victory and tragedy. In April 1865, the Civil War finally came to an end with the surrender of the Confederate forces. The Union had been preserved, and slavery was abolished in the United States. Lincoln's leadership had guided the country through its darkest days. But Lincoln would not live to see the full impact of his work. On the night of April 14, 1865, just days after the war ended, Lincoln was shot by John Wilkes Booth while attending a play at Ford's Theater. He died the next morning, leaving the nation in mourning. Lincoln's legacy. Abraham Lincoln's legacy endures to this day. He is remembered as a man of integrity, wisdom, and compassion. His leadership during one of the most tumultuous times in American history helped to preserve the nation and ensure that the principles of freedom and equality would continue to guide it. The life of Abraham Lincoln reminds us that even in the face of great adversity, one person can make an extraordinary difference. His story continues to inspire people around the world to fight for what is right and to believe in the power of perseverance.